Hello. I am interested in using machine learning to handle mundane customer service tasks and cut costs in the banking industry. Using the criteria from Model 1, I consider this to be an attractive opportunity for a machine learning based solution because there is an existing problem with freeing employees from simple and mundane tasks in order to allow them to work more efficiently. Both customers and business stakeholders care about reducing costs and increasing savings. Machine learning can help solve this problem. Artificial intelligence and machine learning can easily handle mundane tasks, allowing managers to spend more of their time on more sophisticated challenges other than repetitive paperwork. This kind of automation across the entire organization will ultimately lead to greater profits. Using the CRISP-DM process to assess this problem, the target user in this case would be a bank director or major stakeholder. The problem would be successfully coping with advising clients on simple and standard customer service issues. It matters because machine learning will allow the company to reduce customer service costs while also helping increase profits, due at least in part to improve customer service. The current state is call center operators equipped with rules-based scripts to respond live to customer inquiries. Defining success in this case would mean an expected impact of a reduction in customer service costs. The target metrics would be an annual dollar customer service cost savings of greater than 10% per year. The constraints would be we need high connectivity, high throughput, and low latency. Another factor which might be relevant is every new advanced system demands money, time, and effort, and a robust machine learning customer service system is not an exception. But the benefits in the long run will make the effort worth it. The solution concept is to implement a machine learning chatbot system that can analyze user data, then give relevant customer alerts and reminders. It would also know how to perform simple operations such as changing PIN numbers or blocking and unblocking cards. I would use a series of iterative experiments to validate the proposed solution. The training data would use to be run an iteration of the experiment for each pre-selected feature, such as customer alerts, PIN changes, blocking, unblocking cards, and then compare the costs before ML and the costs after ML for each task. After training the various ML models on the subsets of the available input data, I would use cross-validation to evaluate the models on the reserved subset of validation data. As far as the key system-level architecture for my system design, we need high connectivity, high throughput, and low latency for my machine learning system, so I choose a cloud-based ML technology with offline learning and batch predictions. One potential model issue could be training serving skew, which is a mismatch between the data used for training and the data that the model is now receiving as input. There's also human risks, such as less customer trust due to less human contact, meaning it's possible that users will feel less confident in the financial institution because of fewer opportunities to interact with human customer service. And there's ethical risks associated with the huge amount of data that financial companies collect and analyze and use to their advantage, and that amount is constantly growing. Some users don't like this trend, but at the moment it's almost impossible to take any action without leaving a trace of personal data.